To create an orange color effect in Photoshop, follow these steps. Go to Adjustments and select Channel Mixer. Now, go to Properties and configure the following settings. Ensure that red is selected. Once this is done, navigate to Adjustments and choose Hue and Saturation. In the Properties panel, select Yellow and adjust the hue to -20. To compare the image before and after, press and hold the Alt button and left-click on the eye icon in front of the image layer. That's it! Don't forget to write in the comments about today's video. This will help us to improve our content and deliver better results to you. And tell us what you want to see in the upcoming episodes. Till then, bye-bye, take care.